Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashie E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes to help prevent acne. So as many of you guys know, I've had problematic skin in the past, so I definitely try to make sure that my makeup brushes and the things that I put on my face are as clean as possible. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that with just one ingredient. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. So first things first, I'm starting off with a butter dish. Y'all know how it is in Black households. We keep those on deck. And then I am going in with hot water. So my tap does not give me warm enough water, so I do boil it for a little bit and then I pour it in my butter dish. And then I'm going in with the one ingredient, as I mentioned before. This is Dawn dish soap. This is all you need, you guys. I've tried this method with vinegar, which was disastrous. I've tried it with olive oil and dish soap, which was disastrous, and Dawn dish soap is the only one that really works. So I am just going to go ahead and put my beauty blender along with the rest of my brushes in the water, and I'm going to allow this to soak for a few minutes. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, it's been 10 minutes. I haven't touched it and the water is filthy. Imagine us putting that on our faces over and over and over again when we don't clean our brushes. So I do like to kind of double soak my brushes. So I'm going to pour this out and then I am going to fill it with some more warm to hot water, add a little bit more of that dish soap and allow it to soak for an additional 5 minutes. Once I'm done soaking it, then I'm going to proceed with the scrubbing process. Alright y'all, so this is my scrubbing tool. I got this from Amazon, y'all. Pretty inexpensive. I want to say I spent maybe about $5 for this tool. So it does have a little suction on the back and it's supposed to stick to the surface. But y'all, this was slipping and sliding. So I just ended up using it with my hands. I just had it in my hands and then I just scrubbed it that way. If you guys are interested in purchasing, it is located in my description box. As always, y'all know I keep my description box nice and informed. So yeah, I am just gonna take my brush now, y'all, and just scrub. It's so easy. I'm barely doing anything, and as you guys can see, so much makeup is coming off of my brushes, y'all. I love to see it. Alright guys, so now I am moving on to my sponge. I'm going to be using that makeup cleaning tool and I'm going to scrub my brush against it so that all that makeup, dirt, oil, grime could get up out of my sponge. I will say this is the hardest to clean because it is a sponge. So when it's time to squeeze out that soap, it does take a little time. So definitely keep that in mind. But other than that, y'all, it's super simple, super easy. And after scrubbing it against the tool, my sponge was super clean. Alright guys, so as I mentioned earlier in the video, growing up I used to get bumps every now and then, but about 2 years ago my skin went crazy on me, you guys. I had the worst breakout of my life. I actually have a skincare video up on my channel which shows before and after pictures of how badly my skin had gotten about 2 years ago. So because of that, I've been very diligent about the products that I use on my face, as well as ensuring that my makeup tools are very clean. So as you guys know, makeup tools definitely trap dirt. They trap grime, bacteria, and dead skin cells in the brushes. So if you do not wash your brushes often, that's what you're reapplying on your face pretty much every single day. It is recommended by dermatologists to wash your brushes every 7 to 10 days to prevent bad breakouts. Alright guys, so after I rinse my brushes, I do place my brushes and my sponges on a towel so that they can dry. It usually takes about 1 to 2 days to dry, and that all depends on how dense my brushes are. But you guys, look at my brushes. As you guys can see, they are very, very, very clean. They are still super fluffy. There's no harm or damage that have been done to my brushes. They look perfect. They're pretty much brand new. So definitely let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video. Also, let me know which methods you guys use to clean your brushes and to keep the tools that you use on your face clean. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I do post multiple times per week, so turn on that bell so you don't miss an upload from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.